Dear participants, this is the 17th day of the National Workshop on Research Methodologies in Geography, and I am sure that you might have enjoyed all the sessions that have been delivered till today. Today, it is indeed great pleasure to welcome and introduce today's speaker and guest of honor. Today we have Dr. Savitmita Chavan ma'am as a guest of honor, and definitely she will enlighten us. Also we have speaker Dr. Samir Butala sir. Initially I will introduce today's speaker, then I will introduce today's guest, and immediately we will start the session. Dr. Samir Butala is working as associate professor and head in Department of Geography in Sundar Rao More College, Poladpur. He is one of the techno-savvy geographers in the Konkan belt. Till today, he has served for more than 23 years for the teaching of geography, and his basic focus is related to geoinformatics. He is a member of Board of Studies for twice of University of Mumbai. He is a recognized PhD supervisor of University of Mumbai for the subject geography. He is working as a writer for IDOL of University of Mumbai. He is contributing for the social upliftment and is a member of Janakalyan Blood Bank Mahad, and his area of expertise is related to remote sensing, GIS, and applications of these technologies for the betterment of the society. Till today, he has published more than 17 research papers, and all the papers have been published in the reputed journals at national and international level. Beyond this, around 22 books are at his credit till date, and all the books are related to fundamentals, branches and sub branches of geography, and these books are very much useful for the students at the graduation and post graduation level. Beyond this, he has contributed for e-content development, and there is one UGC circular e-content development related to subject in 4 quadrants, and he has developed the e-content related to geography of Maharashtra, then environmental studies, then weather maps. In all these 4 quadrants, he has published these all e-material through separate websites, and you may find his this productive material on Google. You can Google it. One more thing or credit I would like to share here, that very recently he has received one patent related to application of geoinformatics or mapping and other things. He will talk about this,
Thank
and
you.
this is really a great credit that being a geographer to have a patent. This is this talks about the quality of research he has. With these few words, once again on behalf of all the organizing institutions, all the collaborating institutions, and on behalf of organizing committee and participants, Dr. Butala sir, I welcome you for this national workshop on research methodologies in geography. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you
Welcome.
very much.
Thank you. Dear participants, today we have Dr. Savit Smita Chavan. It is a countless pleasure to introduce her. She retired in the capacity of head of the department, University of Mumbai. She completed her master's in the year 1982 with dissertation on demographic attributes of class 1 cities of Maharashtra. She completed her MPhil for changes in occupational structure of Maharashtra and completed her PhD for secondary cities of Maharashtra with focus on Kalyan city. It talks about specialization of madam in the area of urban geography. Till today, she has worked as a resource person at national and international level conferences, and also she worked as a board of studies member of University of Mumbai. Beyond this, she contributed as a committee member of UGC, IQAC, then Indian Science Congress, BOS in Geography at North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, etc. She is a life member of Bombay Geographical Association, Deccan Geographical Society of India, INCA, IWSA, APG, IIG, etc. And at till date, more than 48 publications in the reputed journals at national and international level are at the credit of Dr. Savit Smita Chavan. Beyond this, she is very much cooperative and she is very much critical about research, and always she provides critical review, and it helps us to the new generation to enhance the quality. With these few introductory words, Madam, I welcome you on behalf of all the organizing committee, all the collaborating institutions, and all the participants.
Thank
Welcome,
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
welcome, welcome. Now initially I request you kindly give your best wishes for today's lecture, and then we will request Dr. Butala sir to enlighten the participants. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Indeed, it's my pleasure and honor to be on this platform with you all. So with my sincere prayers to Almighty and His blessings to one and all present here, first of all, I heartily congratulate Dr. Sardar Patil sir for taking this best initiative of introducing national workshop on research methodology in geography, particularly for all the research scholars who have joined for their PhD programs and all the students who would be taking up their dissertations in their post-graduation and undergraduate geography levels. Secondly, I also congratulate Dr. Samir Bhutala sir for such an outstanding achievement of getting, to my knowledge, first patent in University of Mumbai, probably in India in geography for the map which he has prepared as an intellectual property right. So heartiest congratulations, sir.
Thank you,
Your
madam.
efforts, your dedication, and your keen interest in the subject is all speaking about this. And another thing is Dr. Sardar Patil sir and Dr. Samir Butala sir, besides others at university and other colleges, are always very helpful and supportive, not only to the students, but to us as well. Even though I say that I have retired or we have retired, but see, learning is a continuous process and it never ends. Throughout your life till your last breath, you are a student, whether he is a teacher or he is a research scholar or he is a research guide or he is a small child. And this learning process can be from any person, an illiterate who has not done formal schooling, a small child who is in your home, or anybody who is around you or surrounds you, whether he is living or non-living. To my knowledge, even non-living things speak to you if you try to have close association with them, and you will realize how important they too are in our life. And this particular session, which Dr. Sardar Patil sir has organized, it's really very, very, I would say, most apt in today's time, because when a researcher starts with his research, before starting, they should have in-depth knowledge about what research is, how it has to be carried out, and then that becomes so easy for him to take his particular research ahead. And hence today, Samir Butala sir would be talking about patent. So all those who would be doing their research can also think on it, that how their research can be put up for getting their own patents. So with this, I again congratulate you all and wish you all the very best for this successful journey, and also congratulate Sardar Patil sir for taking initiative in starting postgraduate department of geography at Devruk College. Why this is important? Because all students in the rural areas or areas away from Mumbai University headquarters proper cannot come and take admission though they wish to go for higher education. And therefore, in spite of having a will, due to financial constraint or due to some other family constraints, they are not able to complete their higher education. And therefore, our ranking of India at world level on educational front goes down. So all these academicians in different parts of the country should take initiative to provide higher education to the students in their own areas, and should not depend only upon the university departments to reach to the unreached. So this is a very good start, sir. Heartiest congratulations, and whatever support is required, we all are there with you, and the students are also very nice. I can see Saili Chavan, one of my best students of the department, and wish you all the very best. All research scholars, best luck to you for your further journey, and God bless you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Butala, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you,
Thank you.
madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am.
Yes, Sanjana Mule also, I can see.
Yeah. Thank you, madam,
Thank you, ma'am.
for your kind words. Now, I request Dr. Butala, sir, kindly share your experiences. Instead of providing bombarding knowledge, your experience session will be more beneficial to the participants. And initially, I forgot to congratulate to you. And on behalf of all the organizing colleges and Bombay Geographical Association, once again, I congratulate you for your achievements. Please, sir, continue.
Thank you, Sardar sir. Thank you very much that you are taking such an initiative to doing this workshop. This workshop is very helpful to every researcher. So they will get the benefit also. And I seen every day on a WhatsApp group, you will post the workshop record. So that also beneficial to every participants. I heartily congratulate all the your associate collaborate colleges to organizing this seminar, this workshop. First of all, last few days I get the patent. I registered a patent and I'm very happy. So first of all, I congratulate, or I must say thanks to Dr. Savismita Chavan madam, because she motive me and she say me that, sir, you register your patent. What happened last few months ago, I just prepared some digital map. I just said the map to Dr. Savan madam, and when she see the map, then she madam phone me and say me, sir, why you are not putting or register a patent? And that motivation I get, and now then after I start to working on patent. And another thing that she gave me the supportive contact numbers from the Birla College, Dr. Nagre. He also support me for getting the patents. Nagre sir from the Birla College, he registered 7 patents and he have a huge research experience. So that is very beneficial to me. And then after I start the work. So I heartily thanks to Dr. Savan madam. Madam always say motivations to me and our staff. So I am thankful to Savan madam. So then after I get a patent, and so now last 2 days, 3 days back, Sardar Patil phoned me that, sir, give me one session or one lectures on a research on a patent. So last some days I am so busy because of we are doing some work related to Mahad flood, because I am living in Mahad.
Yeah.
And everyone know that on 22nd and 23 July there is huge flood in Mahad. My totally ground floor which is washed out, and so now still that I am working on that for recovering it. Even though Sardar Patil sir said that, sir, please give us some patent ideas what you have done. So that why I am very happy to present here what I have done, or what you have to do. You have to make some initiative or make some what I say ideas related to patent. Okay, then one thing is that patent subject is a large subject, so we can't talk the subject within a half an hour, 1 hour or 1 hour. So I just work out some PPTs last night, okay, and which I will show you what we have to do. Just I will share the screen. Okay. Okay. Sardar Patil sir, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible, clearly visible.
Okay. So the subject which is IPR and patents. First of all, we must have know what is the IPR and what are the laws. Besides that, I want to tell you that if you have a research paper, if you have some ideas, if you have some properties, you can't directly register it, because you must have take some lawyer support or lawyer advice. That is very important. Or we must have some ideas about the session or the some lawyer laws things. Then after we can register our patent which is a part of research. So most of all I herewith focus on the what the patent, what we have to do. First of all, the framework of the IP administration, that is the act, the Patent Act, which is established in 1970 as the amendment in 2005. So when I am registering the patent, then after I will get, I have to study some laws. So that laws which I have mentioned here, the Design Act, which is on 2000, and the design rule which has amendment which is in 2008, the Trademarks Act which is in 1999. So there are a number of laws. So we must have some basic ideas related to the laws, because even though we are from the research side, we must have some ideas of laws. So here is the patent offices, the main patent office which is the head office which is at the Kolkata. So I will tell you here some registration process, but there are so many offices, the head office which is in Kolkata, and the design main office which is in Mumbai, and the sub offices which is in the branch offices which is in Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. So these are the branch offices. Okay. Now the laws and regulation, we must have first understand the laws and regulation of the patent. The Patent Act which is in 1970, amendments from these 3 years, and patent rules which is 2003 amendment in 2005 and 2006. Now the measure of patent from 1/1/1995, these are the measures. We not want to give the, I not want to give the brief here. So the patent laws and silent features that we must have to understand. The both procedure and process patent provides the term of the patent which is 20 years. So I get a patents, my patent procedures term which is 20 years. So there is an examination is requested. So there are two pre-grant patent and post-grant oppositions are there. First track mechanism for the disposal of appearance. So these are the some features, the provision of the protection of biodiversity and traditional knowledge, publication and application after 80 months with the faculty of the early publication, sustainability, reduce the timelines. So these are the silent features. Scope of the patentable under the Patent Act. So this act we must have go through this act for giving the patent stage. Patent procedure is lengthy, but everyone can get a patent if they have some ideas, some if anyone has some properties, then if he is thinking about the properties, so they must have go through this section. So my properties which is belonging from this section, my theme, my research work which is from this section, and then after we have to work. So we must have to get the clear idea about the section. The first thing is section 2. In section 2 there is a what is an invention. The invention means a new product of a process involving an inventive steps capability of industrial applications. Then the patent subject matter. Invention must be related a process or a product or both. Be a new or a novel. Invention and inventive steps be capable for industrial application, not for under section 3 or 4. So this section, even though if anyone want to register his patent, register his properties, so there are the section on the website of intellectual property of India. So we must first of all go through this section and our ideas. So there are new means that the invention must not be published in Indian or anywhere. That is a very important in a prior public knowledge or a prior public use within India, claim before in any specialization in India. So these are the main thing. Invention step, a few of an invention, that invention technique advance as a compared to existing knowledge or have a economic significance or the both, and make an invention not to obvious to person skill in the art. Okay. Though industrial application means in these points we have to study, we must have to get some knowledge or a little bit knowledge about this thing, that invention is capable of the being made use of any kind of industries. So these are the section which I here mention, just a point. Section 3A, Pharaoh's invention contrary to well established natural laws. Example, I will give as the example means this section, machines that give us more than 100% performance. Suppose you make a little machines which give the 100% performance, you can apply for the patent, purely mechanism machines. Then the section 3B, commercial exploiting and primary use of a invention, which is, so the example, plumbing and machines, device for horse baking. Then the section 3B, commercial exploitation of the primary use of invention which the cause serious predictions to health or human, animal, planet, life, or to the environment. So our subject, which is geography, so subject have a number of brother branches. If anyone want to do his innovation with the social or a human or in a as a pure science, so we must have to see the sections that our subject which in which section, then start the writing of the patent. So section 3B, which is the only exclusive patents. Then section 3C, I will just show you the section, not in detail, because if we see the detail, it take more time. Okay, so these are the section 3, that is Newton laws, supercontinuing phenomena such as property of the certain, as an example, it gave us the marital withstand mechanical shock, discover the microorganization. So these are the, as an example, suppose our patent or our innovation which is related to this section, we have to must get this section 3C knowledge in a briefly. So these are the 3C exclusive patents on natural occurring microorganization. So these are the effects. Then section 3D, the major discovery of the new form of a knowledge subsistence which does not result in a enhance of the knowledge efficiency of a sustainable. Section 3D, these are the salt in either polymorphology. These are the section 3, but we, as per the geography, I will show you which section we have to do the work. So these are the sections. Okay, then the 3D, the salt and all the polymorphologies, pure forms, then the particular size, isometer, complex. These are the which is in a section 3. Okay, section 3D also a new use of mere discovery of any new property or a new use of non-sustainable or mere use of knowledge process, machine and appearance, unless such as the process result in a new product or the employees at last 1 year result. So these are the section E3. Also in this way there are a number of sections, but our section which is related to geography, that is section 3F and D. So section 3 cultivation and these are the algae, the products of a new from the knowledge of plant. Then the preparation of an improved soil. Suppose anyone doing his research related to agriculture, related to the horticulture, he have to go through the section 3H for the his innovation. So in this way, I just get some a small idea related to this section from the Nagare sir. And one thing is that Nagare sir have 7 patents, and Nagare sir has his colleagues, that is a Pooja Memon madam. Pooja Memon madam, she is doing registration the process. the patent registration process, which is very important. And most of the process of the registration take more time, take more money, because if you search on a Google or a YouTube, you will find that the process registration fees, which is up to 60,000 rupees. But with the help of Nagare sir, and the patent fees is 50,000 rupees. So Ms. Pooja madam gives me the concession. But not only the fees, you must have to write the right proposal. You must have get the right directions, which I gave from Pooja Meman madam, and Nagare sir also support from Chavan madam. So these are the section 3.1, that is also important. Then section 3, which is these are the section 3. So I will just show you the section nothing. So if you want to study the detail, if you want to register your patent, then you have to go from the section. So most of these are the section 3K, and my section, which is these are the 3K section, because my patent which is related to computer programming. So why I choose this section 3K? How I get the patent from this map? So there is one thing that you will find out every digital map on Google. So Google have his own properties of his every map. So if you create a map in a GIS or any GIS software, and if you say that these are my map, I have to take the patent of this map. So it is impossible, because the main platform of your map, which is belonging from the Google. So Google claim the patent for such a map. So Google can't say otherwise. You have to take permission from the Google for the patent. So besides that, then after I will make my server and make a program related a geo device. That is we gave the name, that is a robotic device, and I create some map related to Raigad district aspect, like soil in Raigad district, then the drainage pattern in Raigad district. I put that map on that such a device, and then I claim for the patent. That's why my subject, which is related to computer programming. So these are my section 3, and mathematical methods, business method, algorithms. There are so many algorithms. So you can create your tools. You can create your tools in QGIS, and you can create your program that show the algorithm. So my program, which is also some parts of program which is related to algorithm. So I choose the section number 3K for my patent. And if you see the detail related to the section 3K, then you will get the idea. So what the lawyer side of the patent, and then after you have to write your patent. So these are these section which I choose, some section which is related to n number of branches. So these are the section 3.1. Suppose anyone want to write his patent with the literacy, dramatic, music, artist work. So they have to go through from section 3.1. Then the section 3M, also a scheme of learning language, solution, and some puzzles, some methods of learning. Suppose anyone have some specific method, a teaching method, so he can also claim for the intellectual properties patent. So if he have some ideas related, some news ideas related, some language news words, so he can patent his with the section number 3M. So these are the sections we must have to first of all see the section, and then after we have to choose our, suppose we have to prepare our mind to, I have to do the some specific what I say, specific things registered on patent, then see your specific words, specific research to the section. Suppose if you have spoken words, if you find out some spoken words related to your research, so you have to see the section 3N, the visual display symbol. Suppose you create some symbol diagrams, so you will find out this. So these are the topography and integrated criteria, and these are the section 3O. So there are a number of sections as per the laws and amendments. So we have to go from the these are the section. Okay. So first of all, first preparation we must have no. So first thing that we have to prepare that a simple concept related our patents, then go to the sections where our patent is to be in a register, where we have to register on which section. And if these two things become final, then the third stage, how to register, or the stage is to grant the patent. First of all, I just tell you what I have to do. What I have done. I have done a specific map, a portal which gave the name, the robotic device, which show the map, my map which I have created with the help of Google form. I did not take any permission from the Google, because the map which I have created and which are published on my device. So I take my permission. I take this device as a patent. So which publish the n number of map. So the obtaining a patent, these are the stage. So you have to go, that is just go to the site www.ipindia.nic.in, and you will get everything, every guidelines here. There are so many proposals, so many helpful information which is there. So these are the stages to grant a patents: filling the application, publication of the application, request of examination, examination issue, third party representation, grant a patent, then there are some discussions, and then the approval. So first of all, this is the site which I have registered my patent, and first of all you must have your signature, digital signature. So first you need the digital signature. You will get the digital signature from any cyber cafe. So the digital signature cost which is maybe up to 2,000 rupees. So when we have to make a process to link the digital signature to this portal, that is very important. Then the type of application, there are n number of type of application for getting the patent. So my type of application which is natural and person. So agent, organization, small entries, or startup. Some program, some industries are startup industries. If they want to take a patent, so these are they will apply for the startup. So then after we have to fill the form. Here are so many things. We have to write a perfect abstract related our product, our patent. So these are the he asks each and everything, and you must have to provide each and everything details. So abstract, then description related our patent and what we claim. That is very important. These things we have to provide in an application form. One thing, if you go to this such a site IPL, then you will find there are a magazine which is published by Indian Patent Office. First of all, you have to download that research journals. Every it's published the research journals. There are n number of patents. So search the patent which is related to your invention, and then after write up these three things which are very important. That is the abstract, description, and claims. So when we are filling these claims and applicants and these are things, so it's generate our patent form. That is a form number 18A. So these are the lengthy procedure, but there are so many questions related to register the patent. So we must have fill the information with correctly. And then these are the same. Then the perspective views, which is very important. We claim that what I claim for my robotic device for teaching maps, that I just say in a 3 lines, but which 3 lines are very important. So what I show you this, the 3 lines, the claim that the novel reset in the shape of the configuration of the robotic device for the teaching map is illustrated. No claim is made for virtual registration in respect of any mechanical or any other action of any where the respect of the made of a principle and construction of the article. No claim is made by virtual registration to any rights and exclusive use of the word, letter, number, colors, and trademarks appearing the representation. So these are my 3 perspective which I have mentioned here. So you have to write your perspective very cleanly and very confidently. Then the publications, that is very important. Application is kept secret for the period of 18 months from the date of filling. You must have to keep. Then in the 19th month, the application is published in the official journal. When Ganesh Chaturthi, at same time, I will get a message that you are after 19 month on Ganesh Chaturthi, I will get a message that your patent is registered. I am very happy. The journal is made available on the website weekly. Even though if you visit the website, we will find out the journals, and the same on patent number you will find out my patent. The application has obtained the get his application published before 18 months also. In the case of application published within a 1 month or a request, you will get a certificate after 1 month. So these are the sites. These are the homepage of the sites. A simple thing. If you want to see the patents which already registered every week, every month, so go to the design, and there is a design, a publication part is there. If you see the publication, you will get an idea related the patent, which types of patent public are going to registered. So just a curiosity, go to the Department of IPL, these are the, and see the patent publications related to the patent. And there are journals. There are 3 types of journals. Geographical induction journals are very important in our geography. There are the trademark journals and patent journals. So most of our geographical related the subject co-branches are included in the geographical induction journal. Grant a patent, a certificate of patent which is issued within 7 days, but I get the certificate within 20 days, nothing, because it's come from Delhi. Then the grant a patent and publish in an official journal. My journal patent which is journal in so these are the official journals. My design number is 345988-01. Filling the date, type of application ordinary, and then the classic, subclassic, these are the, and then receive it, notification, name of the article, that is a robotic device for teaching map. So this is my certificate which I get from the Government of India, the patent office. So I will get these are the patent certificate. So in this way, I just work simple way to get my patent.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So patent procedure, which is a very lengthy procedure. Every section have a small point. We must have read the point, then we will get the detailed idea. So within a short, I will try to make a small presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Dear participants, Dr. Butala sir has presented how he has researched and how he filed the patent. In case of geography, we have ample scope, especially if you visit the official website of Government of India related to patent and other things. There we can file patents, then designs, then trademarks and GI. And this GI part is much more applicable to geographers, that is geo indication. That if you are working on research in agricultural geography, you can take the help from any chemistry person or any laboratory, and you can work on Bangan also, and you will find out that Bangan of Raigad district is typical one, and it has a special type of elements, and that are much more beneficial to the uh, common man or those who are eating that bangan, and it will automatically, this research will be beneficial to the farmers because they will get more price than the regular bangan. That is the research requirement related to GI. In case of IPR, any thought, suppose at present I got, I, I have written a new definition related to any branch of geography. It will come under IPR and it has a separate process. You just Google it and you can file that IPR on your name. Any idea can be claimed under IPR, and sir has very nicely explained his research contribution and IPR filing process. If you have any queries, any doubts, or if you require any further clarification, you may please feel ask the questions. You can ask in Marathi, in Hindi, or in English. Please.
मराठीत विचारला तरी चालेल ना?
Most of the students are Marathi speakers, so please.
प्रश्न नाहीये सर, हार्टी काँग्रेट्स.
थँक्यू सर.
आणि तुम्ही एवढं जे काय सांगितलं की किती सोपं आहे, बट इट इज नॉट दॅट सिम्पल.
नाही काम करा.
इट्स अ व्हेरी टीडियस अँड व्हेरी इंटेलिजंट प्रोसेस that one needs to follow, and one has to be very cautious and sincere also in giving all the details.
थँक्यू. नाही मॅडम, सोपं म्हटलं तरच ते सोपं होतं, नाही तर नाही होत. करू शकतो.
बरोबर.
सर एक प्रश्न आहे की या पेटेंटमुळे काय फायनान्शियल बेनिफिट्स आहेत का? ट्रॅव्हलिंग विथ जिओग्राफी, आय थिंक ही इज फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, so you can
sir, first of all, actually we didn't get more benefits when any person are coming to you for your patents, to ask your patent, then we'll get a benefit. Otherwise we will get academic benefits.
yes, बरोबर.
ऍटलिस्ट आपल्याला निदान कळलं तरी की आपण सुद्धा पेटंट्स घेऊ शकतो. नाहीतर एक असा समज होता की फक्त सायन्स मध्ये केमिस्ट्रीचे जे इन्व्हेन्शन्स होतात किंवा आणखी काय होतात त्यालाच फक्त पेटंट असतं आणि बाकी सोशल सायन्स मध्ये किंवा जॉग्रफी मध्ये वगैरे असं काय असू शकत नाही. तर हे तुमच्या या एका उदाहरणाने एक दाखवून दिलंय की आपण सुद्धा प्रयत्न केले तर आपलं सुद्धा जे सब्जेक्ट मॅटर आहे ते आपण पेटंटच्या लायक कसं करू शकतो अँड हाऊ वी कॅन टेक पेटंट फॉर दॅट एक प्रूफ झालेलं आहे त्या निमित्ताने. सो युअर अटेम्प्ट अँड अचिव्हमेंट इज अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन फॉर ऑल अदर्स टू फॉलो. So
Yes,
hearty
yes, sir.
congrats.
Yes,
Thank
with all.
you. Thank you.
yes, sir.
Thank you so much, madam.
Uh, I think no more questions are there. I would like to invite Saili Chavan. Saili, are you there?
Oh, yes, sir. Am I audible,
Yes,
sir?
yes, 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 yes,
Okay.
yes. Uh,
Okay.
yeah. Saili, kindly extend the vote of thanks on behalf of organizing institutions and participants. Please proceed ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, all. As all good things come to an end, on behalf of organization institutes, I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks to those who have directly and indirectly contributed to this conference on IPR and patents organized by institution. At the outset, I thank our chief guest, Dr. Savismita Chauhan ma'am, uh, and also resource person, Dr. Butala sir. We are really enlightened with your knowledge and presence. A special thanks to organizing committee and our heartfelt thanks to our participants for their active participation. Thank you so much, Chavan ma'am. After a long time, we are listening to you and Butala sir for your
Thank you.
great knowledge. Thank you so much.
Thank you.